Hello everyone. So now in exercise 2.4 we are going to discuss about the decimal numbers, how we are going to multiply the decimal numbers. Firstly, decimal means, like for example this is written 2.4, exercise 2.4. In this 2.4, this point is called as the decimal. And when we have to multiply in this, we are going to see how we are going to multiply the numbers which are in decimals, how we are going to place the decimal, where we are going to place the decimal. That's what we are going to learn in this exercise. Now in this question number 1, it is to multiply the following decimal numbers. I have not done all the parts. I have done only those parts which I have to explain you. So because multiplication is very easy to do, you have been doing it since lower classes. So now let us see how you are going to multiply. 5.5 is to be multiplied with 12. Now what you are going to do is, the very first step is just ignore the decimal and multiply this number with 12 as you are doing earlier. I have not considered this decimal, so 55 is multiplied by 12, and after multiplying it I am getting 660. Now 5.5 when multiplied by 12, that gave me 660, right? But without decimal. Now how I am going to use this decimal? From the rightmost digit you have to count. Now after this decimal, how many digits are there? 1. After this decimal, how many digits are there? 1. So if one digit is only there, that means in your answer from the rightmost digit you are going to step back one place, because only one digit was there, and then you are going to place the decimal. Now see this I part. 1.956 you have to multiply by 21. When you are going to ignore this decimal, firstly just multiply this number with 21, you will be getting the answer 41076. Now to place the decimal, write the question 1.956 into 21 and just write the answer what you have got. Now just see that after the decimal in the question, how many digits are there? How many are there? 3 digits are there. So in your answer from the right side, you have to move back how many? 3 digits you have to move back. 1, 2, 3, and then you are going to place the decimal. Let us take one more example. For example, I am taking 1.71 multiplied by 12. 171. Now what I am going to do here is, I am not going to consider the decimal. Firstly I am just going to multiply it. 2413171. So this is my answer now, but I have a need of a decimal, so it will be 1.7 multiplied by 12, 2052. Now look here, after decimal how many digits are there? 2. So in your answer from the right side, step back 2 digits. So the answer here, the decimal is going to be placed here, right? Now these were the questions in which you are multiplying with a number. Now let us see the numbers which you have to multiply with 100, 10, a multiple of 10, right? So for example 0.23 you have to multiply by 100. Now just consider here, this is only one liners. When you have to multiply with the number of zeros, what you are going to do here is just consider how many zeros are there? 2. So this decimal is going to step forward how many digits? 2 digits. So 0.23 into 100, this means it will be 23. Now how this came? 0.23 multiplied by 100. 0.23 can be written as 23 upon 100, right? Because after decimal how many digits are there? 2, and this is multiplied by 100. Now 100 and 100 cancelled, what came? 23. So instead of solving this, what is the short trick in this? What is the one liner? How you can do it? Just see the number of zeros, and this decimal is step forward how many digits? 2 digits. So after this will become 23. Now I want to explain you one thing. If I am writing 05, this means 5. If I am writing 023, this means 23. So if this 0 is at the left side of any number, that does not make any difference with the number. Okay, so if this is written, if we have placed here and it was 023, this completely means 23. Now see the next. You have to multiply this number by 10. So only 1 0 is there, so that means you have to shift this decimal one place ahead. So it will be 106.5. 4. See the next, you have to multiply a number with 1000. How many zeros are there? 3. So this decimal is going to be shifted 3 places ahead. 1, 2, 3. So that means this is going to come here. 0.6. Whether I am writing 0.6, it does not make any difference because these zeros are of no use. I can write simply 0.6. Right? So this was question number 1. All other parts you can do. You can see it from the book. Now question number 2, you have to multiply. Again in this you have to multiply only, but now what the condition is, in this you are having a complete whole number, but now in this 2 decimal numbers you have to multiply. Now what you are going to do, again just don't consider the decimals. Right, now if this is 0.9 and I am saying that you don't have to consider the decimal, then 0.9 will become 0.9, and what is 0.9? 9 only. So that's what I have done. So 3 multiplied by 9. What is the answer? 117. Now this is the answer. Now we have to place the decimal. 0.9 into 1.3. Okay. Now how you are going to place the decimal? After this decimal, how many digits are there? 1. After this decimal, how many are there? 1. So total how many are there? 2. So now the total are 2 decimals. That 2 digits are there. So that means from the right side, I am going to shift back how many digits? 2 digits. Then that means the decimal will be 2 digits before. Now see the next C part. 1936 you have to 19.36 you have to multiply by 0.5. 1936 when you multiplied by 5, answer came 9680. You have multiplied this. After multiplying it, your answer came 9680, but where you are going to place the decimal? This decimal, after decimal how many digits are there? 2. After decimal how many digits are there? 1. Total how many? 3. So from the right side 1, 2 and 3. So that means it is going to be here. Decimal is going to be here. So likewise here also simply you have to multiply, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4 digits are there. So that means from the back side, from the right side, shift back 4 digits. So here you are going to place the decimal. That's how you are going to place the decimal. I hope it is clear to you. Please do all the parts of this exercise in your notebooks. Complete it by yourself. Thank you.